Thumbnail says it all, but before actually starting to the video, let me ask you two questions. Have you seen that ad where the product will promise you a flawless skin in just 2 minutes? But will that work? No, right? Have you seen that ad where the guy will ask you a very awkward question? क्या आप हेयर फॉल से परेशान है? हाँ भाई है परेशान. If yes, then use a hair oil and grow your hair in just 30 days. Will that work? No, right? Okay, you guys are losing your patience. So let me get straight to the point. So today we will talk about Aliv in Marathi, Halim seeds in Hindi, and garden cress seeds in English. So Aliv is not a fake product which market is selling you, but it is a 100% solution for skin, hair, and much more. If you are a person who is facing hair fall and who is having patches over the scalp, then don't worry, don't get frustrated, you need Aliv. So just soak 8 to 10 Aliv seeds in water for 8 to 10 hours. Take a glass of hot turmeric milk and add a soak Aliv into it. Have this before going to sleep. The iron, amino acids and vitamin content of Aliv prevent hair fall, hair thinning and even split ends. If you are a person who is always suffering from pimples, acne, pigmentations and dark circles, then you need Aliv, especially women because they are very habitual of acne because of period and the hormonal issues. You can make Aliv laddu with coconut, jaggery, ghee and Aliv. Eat this laddu in afternoon and this will give you a glowing, even tone, acne free, pimple free skin. If you don't like laddu, then have it in a milk. If your non-vegetarian friend always teases you like, hey vegetarian, how you get your protein? Then tell him, bro, I eat Aliv laddu every day. So Aliv is a great source of protein and it will help you in a weight loss by increasing muscle mass. Aliv is just magic if you are low on your hemoglobin. You can add soak Aliv to coconut and with jaggery. Try this for 2 to 3 months and then again check your hemoglobin levels. You will definitely see the change. If you are a girl who always have irregular periods, then include Aliv in your diet because Aliv has that compound which is very beneficial for female body and it will help you regulate your periods. If you remember, then we always feed Aliv laddu to newborn mothers because that will help them to regain that strength and it will also help to enhance the breast milk production. The very important things I want to mention over here is just don't eat Aliv by soaking in water. The reason is very simple. Aliv are actually warming in nature. So it is necessary to combine them with certain type of fats like coconut, milk, laddu, Aliv kheer. You can make a lot of recipes out of Aliv. There are many recipes available on internet. And the another reason is if we combine Aliv with any form of recipe, then only you can get the many benefits from Aliv. So always eat them in a recipe format in certain type of fat, but never eat them raw. The moment we get to know that something is healthy for our body, then we start eating them in a huge amounts for maximum benefits. Don't do that. Aliv should be eaten in a particular portion, so always eat 8 to 10 Aliv. That's it for today guys. So what are you waiting for? Include Aliv in your diet and throw these creams and hair oil from your house. And I would suggest you to choose everything wisely. And if you really like this video, then please share this video to the maximum people and get better together. You can also follow me on Instagram to know more about me. Till then, bye.